Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Great, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks. I noticed as I was walking by that the sign said Learning Center, and I've heard that this is a really helpful place. I can get lots of support here. And one of the things I've heard from classmates and friends is that you provide one-on-one support. So, for example, if there's a certain course that I need help in, you would be able to connect me with a tutor, and they'd be able to help me with my questions or maybe go through practice problems. Is that true?
It is true, yes. We do have peer tutors who are upper semester students from a variety of programs, and they have been recommended by their professors to work as peer tutors, and they work with us for supporting their peers to be successful like themselves.
You heard that right. All you gotta do is head over to the Learning Center website where you'll have multiple options to choose from. Once you choose your desired option, you head over to book your appointment with your peer tutor. As you see, there is an option to schedule your appointment. Once you schedule your appointment, you decide to choose where you want to have it, either online or on campus. Once you click on your required option, you will then receive a confirmation. It's as simple as that.
I visited a few days ago and I met your colleague, Farida. Really, really nice. She told me about all the support I could receive for specific courses that I'm taking. I was just so happy to hear that I could book one-on-one sessions to meet with a tutor. So I was wondering, I actually forgot to ask her if I could book for English as well, because I only asked her about my non-English courses. So what types of supports are available in terms of my English, whether it be writing or maybe I want to work on my speaking and listening skills, and I have a lot of problems with reading comprehension.
So we offer a variety of English workshops. You can have a look at our calendar, but we offer different types of support in terms of writing, essay planning, sentence structure, conversation clubs, which are more casual settings, just for you to get to know other students and practice your English communication skills. And we also offer lots of tutoring appointments where you can book one-on-one to work on your writing, reading, speaking, or even listening skills.
You can book 3 one-on-one course-related sessions per week and still attend any of the English workshops of your choice in the same week.
Is there anything else I should know about in terms of English?
No, but if you are looking to book an appointment and you need some help, feel free to come in at any time or ask for help online on our website, and we'd be happy to help you book one.
Great, and I did notice a little chat box on your site when I checked it out, so that would be great if I can actually access you virtually as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We're available every day, 9 to 5.
The other day I heard my teacher mention SLG, and I didn't have time to ask him. I had to head off to another class, so I didn't really get to ask him what he was referring to. He said these are available not for his course, but for some other courses that are available at Seneca. So I just thought you'd be able to provide me with some more information if that's possible.
Absolutely, yes. SLG stands for Supported Learning Groups, and as the name suggests, they are study group sessions that are run weekly based on class content. So our SLG leaders are students who took the course before and succeeded in it, and now they re-attend the lectures, prepare their sessions, and then run with the students taking the course right now, so that they can perform better in the course and meet other people, study together really. So if you are enrolled in a course that is supported by SLG, you will have a Blackboard shell, a course shell there that you can just click, and it will be able to be directed to our Zoom where the session is held.
Thanks for all that information. I never knew that there was this support called SLG, and it sounds like it would really help anybody who takes part. Another initiative that I've heard about as well that's offered through the Learning Center is Strive. And I'm not really too sure what that's about. Would you be able to tell me?
Oh, for sure. Strive is a program that it is designed to help you improve your study strategies, learning strategies, and also life skills. It's run through workshops and one-on-one coaching consultation.
Hi, my name is Vasantan Natarajanmaran. I'm doing interactive media design in Seneca College. Are all the Learning Center services free?
Hi, so Vasant from Interactive Media Design Program asks, are all the services at the Learning Center free? And the answer is yes, we offer various services at no extra charge. The fee is actually already included in your tuition, so make sure you check out the Learning Center's amazing services in person or online. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yesha and I am currently in the semester 1 of chemical laboratory technician program. I have a question for the faculty is that do I need to whenever if I book for any tutor, so do I need to book a tutor every time, or will I get the same tutor every time? Because it is necessary that if I build the communication with one tutor, I don't need to explain myself or introduce myself to every instructor every time. So is there any possibility for that? Thank you.
Jaysha, thank you for your question. You're more than welcome to choose one tutor and book your appointments with them over and over again. Just remember that you have to go to your booking system as early as possible. Appointments open 6 days before the desired date, and then book your appointment each time. If you don't have a preferred tutor, you're also welcome to choose among the ones we have available. For most courses, we have more than one person offering support, so you can vary and choose one each time, or stick to one of your preferences. I hope this helps. I wish you a great fall term, and I hope to see you in the Learning Center soon.
Hi, my name is Renzo Lescano. I'm Marketing Management Program. And what is the best way to prepare for exam?
In the Learning Center, we do offer services to help and support the students with exam preparation. One of them is to book an appointment with a peer tutor and bring your questions to the tutoring session and hopefully get the support that you're looking for. The other area that we help the students is under our Strive program, which is called academic coaching. You can book an appointment with one of our academic coaches and get support in areas such as time management, note takings, and also study skills.
Hi, I'm Urvisha. I'm the student of the CLT, Chemical Laboratory Technician. Actually, I have a question regarding the schedule and the time management. Actually, I have a 5 hour gaps in between 2 lectures. So I want to ask you that how can I effectively use that 5 hour gap that hours can help me towards my course? Like if you give me a suggestion regarding the course that will help me in the CLT in future, so it will be better. Thank you.
Urvisha, thank you for your question. I recommend you check out our Strive program, which is a program designed to help you develop study, learning, and life skills. It blends academics with positive psychology. Strive is offered through workshops that you can attend, where there will be other people listening and interacting about important topics, or you can book one-on-one sessions with an academic coach, whichever you prefer, and we invite you to do both, actually. I hope this helps. Have a great fall term, and see you soon in the Learning Center.
Students are asking if they need a faculty recommendation in order to apply for the peer tutor position. The answer is no. You can apply for the peer tutor position as long as you meet the eligibility criteria that we have listed on our website. If you go to our website, the Learning Center website, and check the information under how to become a tutor, and then if you feel that you are meeting those criteria, you can apply for the positions. And then once we receive your documents, we go through all the documents and we select the eligible candidates and we invite them for an interview.